Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a car fender. Proper fender alignment is crucial for your vehicle's appearance and structural integrity. We'll cover identifying common problems like uneven gaps and how to correct them. Before you begin, ensure you have the right tools, such as wrenches, sockets, and a trim removal tool. This preparation will make the adjustment much smoother and more effective. Before making any adjustments, safety is paramount. If necessary, safely lift and support your vehicle to gain better access to the fender's mounting points. Next, carefully remove any inner fender liners or splash guards that might obstruct your work. Take a moment to inspect all mounting bolts and brackets for signs of damage or corrosion, as these could affect the adjustment process. On another note, keeping your car looking sharp is one thing, but what about keeping your home just as pristine? If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. And speaking of keeping things clean, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's get to the actual adjustment. Begin by slightly loosening the fender's mounting bolts. You don't want to remove them, just loosen them enough so the fender can move. Gently manipulate the fender, pushing or pulling it until it aligns correctly with adjacent body panels. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, carefully tighten all the mounting bolts securely to hold the fender in its new position. After tightening the bolts, it's time for the final checks. Carefully examine all panel gaps and body lines to ensure they are consistent and even. Reinstall any components you removed earlier, such as inner fender liners or splash guards. Finally, test the operation of your car's doors and hood to confirm they open and close smoothly without any obstruction from the newly adjusted fender. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.